What's up everybody, Kevin here, and we are back with another episode of C# tutorial. In this video we are going to quick look at infinite loop in for loop. Let's start. Okay, here we have our for loop from last video. Okay, the question is when we create an infinite loop. Okay, when we don't assign our ending point, our loop will become an infinite loop, like this one here. We don't have any ending point in our loop. Let's just start it. Here we've created an infinite loop successfully, and there is no ending point in this loop, and it goes all the way up to the infinite. Okay, but sometimes we have our ending point. 10 in this loop is our ending point, but we've never reached that sometimes, like here. I is always 0 and this loop is infinity. Let's just start it to see. And here this is another infinity loop, and it just print 0. Not having ending point or not reaching our ending point can cause infinity loop. An infinity loop can cause problem in our program. Not always, but most of the time it causes problems. And that's it for this video, guys. I will do another video about infinity loops with while and do while in another videos. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Hope you have an awesome day and peace out.